Hi everybody, my name is Jason Hall and this video is about Microsoft Project Professional 2019. And in this video I want to show you and walk you through the getting started workflow that Microsoft provide as part of the project package. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I've opened Microsoft Project and I'm now presented with the screen to open either an existing project, a template, or start with a blank project. So we are going to start with a blank project, and I'm just going to hide the timeline on this project. It's opened up with the typical Gantt chart view, but it's obviously completely blank because we've opened a blank project. And where we can find the getting started with project workflow is actually under reports and under getting started. And then if we click on get started with project, that takes us to this initial workflow, and Microsoft welcomes you to project with this report. And so the suggestion here is that there's three straightforward steps to get your project off the ground and get it up and running effectively. And that is to capture and organize your tasks, to create reports that you can share with people in your organization and your key stakeholders, and then share the project with your team using SharePoint as a lightweight project repository. So those are the three recommended steps that Microsoft recommends. And so let's go and take a look. So under organize tasks, and that's really the strapline here is get organized, save time. And so by capturing all the tasks, giving each task a duration and setting a start and a finish date, that way you can start to map out the duration of your project and start to write down or capture all of the things that need to be done for your project to be successfully completed. So this is step one, to add all of these tasks and start to create a structure for your project. Now to measure progress, one of the things that project managers often do is to set a baseline. That's a snapshot of your project effectively at a period in time, and to do this enables you to run reports against that original view, show variances, and it gives an insight into what's going on in your project, and also enables you as the project manager to identify things you'd like to change, interventions you would like to make on the project to achieve the outcomes you're looking for. And then thirdly in this section there is manage dependencies. So basically this means linking tasks together so you get the right sequence of tasks through your project. So for example, you could be building a house, so typically you would build the foundations, then build the walls, and then add the roof. So this gives you, the project manager, the ability to link these tasks together so you get a logical flow through the plan, and the tasks naturally flow one to the other. So that's the organized task section. So next we'll have a look at the next tab. So the next tab is around creating dynamic reports, and Microsoft Project provides a number of reports that are already embedded within the system. They give us snapshots of potential ones here. So there's percentage complete to the project, you've got task burn down, and you've got work status. And you can find more reports from where we obviously found this section. So you've got various dashboards you can show, so burn down, cost overview, project overview, so your tasks that are upcoming, etc. That's a high level dashboard. You can look at where your resources are, where they're over allocated, and a general overview of the resources on your project. The number of cost reports here, as well, to look at the financial side of your project, and then there's some other in progress reporting as well. All of this is designed to support you as a project manager, and then you can also build custom reports as well and export reports as well. So we won't go into all of these. We'll stick to the dashboards for the purposes of this video, just to give you an overview and get started on this workflow. And then lastly, we're looking at sharing the reports with your team. So this is the recommended approach, as I mentioned earlier, which is to save your tasks to SharePoint. This acts as a repository for the team to put all their documents in, to update progress and obviously comment on different activities. Now, for some team members, the project isn't necessarily their first choice of application to communicate with you. So this is just offers another way for the team to collaborate and work together on achieving the outcome for your project. So that's the high-level overview of the Microsoft Get Started with Project workflow.